Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm unboxing for you my latest collaboration order with Craspire. So the one thing that Craspire is really well known for is their wax seals, and you can buy the actual tools and the furnace and everything that you need to create wax seals. This is a kit that I've picked up to go with the other things that I have from them already. A beautiful set of pastel wax beads. I can just already see the gorgeous colors that I can create combinations with to make some beautiful seals. And then the other thing that I've received from them are these cutting dies. One, perfect for Polka Dot Mailbox. It is a mailbox die, and it is so cute. So this is the actual mailbox, and then there's like a small little individual mailbox that you can make. There are envelopes and little letters and tiny little postcards and things. So this is going to be so cute. Like these little cards, I can see popping out of there. There's that little flag that will go on top of that. So that is the first set. The second set, old flower dies. Now these are really fun to make, and I can show you some of like rolled flowers that I've made previously, and I have a video on how I created them. I actually created them with a punch instead, but I'm really excited to try creating some hand flowers that you basically just die cut them and roll them up, and there are two different styles here. A lot of fun to create and such a useful item to have. Like here's an example of how I love to embellish with a little flower. So to be able to create some lovely rolled flowers, they just add the perfect touch to every project that I've been working on. The third die set that I have received, I can create beautiful embellishments again for like a scrapbook layout or something. So you basically put all the different pieces on top. You've got different lens options. There's some flowers and leaves, a little Polaroid, a bow, like all these cute little details, little buttons that you could add down on the side there. So, and also the little film strip. So that is another one. And see those. And then the last die that I received from them. So here are the two different dies. So this creates a 3D vase. And this is the tab. So I think you cut two of those out, tab it all together. This is the bottom. And then you create all your flowers, and you can have them popping out of the vase. So that is what I have received, and I am looking forward to working with. So if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, you might want to subscribe so that you can get notifications when I post my next video, so you can see all the creations that I make with my new dies. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you again next time.